We are the pioneers of the 4-hour private yacht charter. What do we have on our boats? Open bar.
The best tequila in Mexico. Salud.
We got the hideout contest off the top of a yacht. Drinking contest, paddleboard, snorkeling. We have karaoke at sea. The sky's the limit. And you want to know what the most popular thing in all of Mexico is right now for tourism? The 4-hour yacht charter. My name is Mac. I'm the owner of H2OH. They go out on the ocean, get on this boat, and they come back and said, this is the best time of my life. And they really say that. Man, that's motivation to me. That's serious motivation to me.
Excellent.
We have a rule in the company, you're not allowed to take your shirt off, with the exception of Juan.
Juan is very
The lady's choice.
friendly.
I don't know exactly what they've been doing in this boat, but there is baby oil in this boat.
My wife, she's beautiful, she's a queen, but she's a monster.
Danny has his ups and downs.
When I saw that JJ was gonna be with me, I was like, man, I'm the host of this right here. Nobody's gonna take over.
There's a lot of jealousy.
Whenever I know better about whatever else, then I'm taking the lead.
The absolute hardest part of my job is to keep these things working safely. There's a lot of problems on the boat. Generator's not working. I've got wires hanging from the ceiling. I got panels missing, lights missing. 50 grand each motor. They'll pay the extra. I don't mind doing that at all. Everything is wonderful. Oh, let's go spend some more money. Welcome to my world. We got guests coming and this boat needs to be out on the water.
We're gonna work in the night as well if it's necessary, because otherwise Mac is gonna be so mad.
I'm gonna tear somebody's ass up is what's gonna happen.
Explode.
Don't fuck up. It's time for a cold beer, or maybe more than one. So when you've got this many boats, this much activity going out, I mean, just imagine this many diesel engines running, people drinking, partying. I mean, this is a recipe for disaster, right? And this is like a time bomb ticking.